Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your mobile wallet for convenient in-store purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up contactless payments on your smartphone. Step 1. Determine which mobile wallet is compatible with your smartphone. iPhone users should use Apple Pay. Android users can choose Google Pay or Samsung Pay, and some devices support multiple wallet options. Step 2. Locate the mobile wallet app on your phone. On iPhone, look for the Wallet app. On Android devices, find Google Pay or Samsung Pay. If the app isn't pre-installed, download it from your device's app store. Step 3. Open your mobile wallet app and tap the option to add a card. This is usually indicated by a plus sign or Add Card button prominently displayed on the app's home screen. Step 4. Use your phone's camera to scan your debit or credit card, or manually enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV security code if scanning isn't available or doesn't work properly. Step 5. Verify your information for accuracy, then provide any additional details requested, such as your billing address and phone number associated with the card. Step 6. Agree to your bank's terms and conditions for using the card in the mobile wallet. Your card issuer will verify your information and may send a verification code via text message or email. Step 7. Enter the verification code sent by your bank to confirm your identity and authorize adding the card to your mobile wallet. Some banks may verify through a phone call or their own mobile app. Step 8. Once verified, your card is ready for in-store purchases. To use it, hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal with your phone unlocked and authenticate with your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. Your payment will process wirelessly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.